my 7. I'm ripping in my 7, my 7, my 7. Okay. I'm flossing in my 7, my 7, my 7. I'm riding in my 7.
Alright, we back with a cut down. From the last time we tuned in, checked in. Got this trans cooler, part number 678. That's going for the Cutlass. It's actually the same exact one I used on the Box 7. Haven't had no issues thus far, so that's what we rocking with. I know it kind of looks the same. A lot of stuff is moving up under the vehicle. Cross member is up. I had to get some bolts to secure. I had to get like some bolts to secure the cross member, as well as the transmission to the cross member. So we got cross member to the frame, and then we got transmission to the cross member. Secured to. What else? Shout out to my boy Cortez. It was a transmission mount that he gave me a little while ago. I didn't know if I was even gonna need it or use it, but it definitely came in handy. It's kind of way back there though. Zoom in on it, yeah. So got the energy suspension mount there. Transmission is up. Just bolted the torque converter to the flywheel. We almost ready to crank, bro. We almost ready to crank. Gotta get that transmission cooler hooked up. Get some more fluid in here. I need to find the what's it called? I need to find. I know I had like the little shifter thing. It went right here on the side. I got one right here somewhere, so I just need to find that. Bolt that on there. Then my shifting linkage should be all to the good. And to make sure this bitch don't roll off of here and fucking drive as soon as I crank that bitch up. Cause like I said, now we got the transmission hooked up, so we got action. We got action on the track, bitch. I don't pay no mind. I'm just a little bit excited though. I did put this little turn down on here. Got it from the job just so that shit ain't shooting like back straight into the car and shit. The one on this side would not fit because of said cross member. I think it's like a 12-inch turn down. If it was shorter, like maybe a 6-inch turn down, it probably would work. So, I'm gonna see if I can find a 6-inch, 3-inch outer diameter turn down. If not, no big deal. No big deal. Also, let me show you this other shit. I've been having this shit over here in the tuck. And people ain't even fucking realized I had it at all. So I bought these transmission dipsticks for that GM Turbo 350. I originally was gonna buy one just for the C10, but then I was like, I'm gonna buy two. Just in case, and basically went from there. So glad I did, because now we can pretty much run that up and we can mount our transmission dipstick to the firewall up here. Yeah, run it to the firewall up here so that we can do whatever. I gotta cool the spark. Well, I gotta put the spark plug back in. When I went to bolt up the torque converter to the flywheel or the flex plate, for those of you manual guys, it's not a flywheel, bro. I know, bitch. I know. Alright. So being that I was turning the motor over by hand to line up the torque converter bolts. I don't think I ever did it that way before. You know what I'm saying? But the more and more you do this shit, the more you think, you're like, it would probably work better if I did it this way. So that's exactly what I did. I took out the spark plug, I took out like 5 of them, and I was able to turn the engine by hand, by the front, line up my bolt holes, tighten them down, and torque them down. And I had to take the starter down, put the starter back up so I could get right up in there. So starter's back up, torque converter's connected. We are gonna need fluid, like I said, for the transmission. Got the transmission lines running out. As you can see, they coming all the way up right here. They will more than likely, they probably gonna come through here, and then like right there in the front to where we gonna put the transmission cooler at, so that the transmission cooler lines up and gets all that airflow. You know what I'm talking about? Damn. What else is there to show y'all? Okay, so let me back up. Like I said, secure the cross member to the transmission. Then you're gonna secure the transmission or the cross member to the car. We're gonna have to get our shifter linkage boot or shifter linkage thing that goes on the side of the transmission. Grab one of those. Like I said, I'm pretty sure I got one around here somewhere. Because when I sold it, I think when I sold that 350, when I sold the 350 from behind that Cutlass, not Cutlass. When I sold the 350 from behind the, what the fuck is that thing called? The Chevelle. When we sold the 350 from behind the Chevelle, I'm pretty sure I took the little thing off. Cause I knew a day would come. A day would come. A day like this would come. See, cause I got a little transmission dipstick tube seal. So I got that on deck. Let's see what else. Got some extra spark plugs. Anyway, man, it's up here somewhere. We'll get that on the side of the transmission, and then, like I said, that way we can make sure that we are able to make sure this thing is actually in park. Make sure it is actually in park, and then we can actually start it that way. Just don't fucking jump off the fucking rack. Jump out the rack. Yeah, man, this is the rack when you fucking doing this garage life shit. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, moving closer to the end. All this shit's gonna be in the same one video. I gotta get ready to go. I gotta go shower and get ready to go to work. Add this to the pot. Turn it back on when we get some more progress. I like recording videos like this. This is back to my fucking roots. I was just doing shit and telling y'all like, hey, this is what I did. If y'all remember fucking JDS better than the rest, dog, I ain't step by step everything. Even though step by step get views sometimes. But yeah, I kind of miss shooting like this. Just, hey, boom, we got this. Hey, boom, we got that. Hey, boom, we got this. Boom, transmission's in, boom, 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 versus trying to put the transmission in while I'm fucking recording. So yeah, transmission's in, Transmission is in, drive shaft is in, torque converter is connected. We'll hook up the transmission cooler lines to the transmission cooler that we just purchased. From there, where are we at? From there, we are inching closer towards the cooling system. Knocking out the cooling system and going from there. Doing the water pump, like I said, the water pump, like it's not all the way. It's really kind of there for like fitting purposes or whatever. So that'll be the next step. I'm gonna take this, move that bracket or whatever I have to do. Get my thermostat on there. New thermostat I got just sitting right here in the tuck, just waiting on this moment. Cooking up his cutlass cobbler, man. I told you, bro, I've been had the fucking ingredients. I've been had the ingredients. They was sleeping on me. Nah, but yeah. So I got the Murray thermostat. This is the one with the ultra. This the ultra stat, which means if it do, I think if it gets stuck or whatever, it'll get stuck open so that it won't. Yeah, it'll get stuck open or have like a bypass or some shit to where it won't. It ain't gonna fuck nothing up. It ain't gonna get stuck hot. It'll get stuck open versus getting stuck hot if it ever gets stuck. So that's a good thing. I forgot how many degrees it is. I want to say I went with the stock. I don't know though, but yeah, so thermostat water pump, thermostat water pump, upper and lower hoses. I'm probably just gonna bypass, I'm gonna probably just loop this around for now. I'll take the one I had on the Chevy, I'll just put it on here for now because I'm not really worried about heat. I mean the heater hose, the heater core box is right there, but I'm not gonna fuck with that shit. So I'm gonna loop that around. I'll put the so put the water pump on, do the thermostat, loop that around. Then we pretty much ready to fucking run it through the radiator, bro. Once we run it through the radiator, do I got that fan still? I mean, I know we're going electric fans, but for that first moment when we jump out the porch, man, I might just want to, jump out there. I probably threw that shit away. Let me go check over here. I thought some shit away quick. Y'all know me. Nah, we good. It is gone, probably. Yeah, so no biggie. It is what it is. Yeah, so fans, like I said, I still gotta finish tidying up the wires and shit. And then from there, I might just go ahead and wire the fucking fans over the relays and shit. Matter of fact, I'll put that on my list of shit I need to get from work tonight. Relays, bitch. So I'll get the relays. If they don't have them, then I'll go ahead and get them ordered. For the fan relays, fan 1 and 2, and 1 and 2. The fans that I'm going with are these here. These are the ones that we got a while back. They was in there Intrepid. So now it's time for them to have their moment or whatever. I I'll play with the wiring, confirm exactly how they come on. You know, should extend my wires and do whatever I gotta do. It looks like, from the way that it looks like it's wired, it was like there's only one plug. So that looks like, I don't know, maybe it's like a 2-speed fan, something like that. So, I don't know. But yeah, the way it is, we got one ground, and there's 2 yellows and 2 greens. So I'm guessing this is like some high speed shit. You know what I'm saying? Top of the top. So we'll get it figured out. We'll get these fans put on. This is the only time that I'ma scream Mopar or no car. Ah! For these fans, that I heard these fans is the truth. Alright, so let me get ready to go to work. Catch you back on next episode.